open, Mommy.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay. Okay, I'll count on 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Mommy, look! Okay, and now let's open the accessories and surprises. Oh, I can't get it out. Let's come those up. Wow! And the mystery doll. And then let's open up the surprises. We have the yellow hanger. It's lime yellow. I don't know what that is. Some shoes, of course. And then now let's open up some accessories. Cool, a lot of accessories, Mommy. Oh, we have a backpack with some wings on them. And then we have a little juice box that I wonder what is in the bottle. And Neon Cutie can drink it. That's so cute. And then here is a tiny little bracelet. I wonder what Neon Cutie can wear it. Come on. Ta-da! See, Mommy? The bracelet fit. Now, here's the hairbrush. And then here's the top. Some heart-shaped glasses. And the skirt. And now, let's dress up Neon Cutie. Let's go, Mommy. Why can't I put the shoes? Because they're too small for Neon Cutie. Maybe they have the right color. What color is this, Mommy? Teal? Okay, which shoes are teal? Okay, it goes right here. Good job. Okay, let's check that. Yeah. There you go. Mommy, can you help me to put these 2 shoes, please? Okay, so Mommy's telling us how to do the pair of shoes. Mommy, you have to press it hard. Okay, and the vlog is on. And then the last accessory is the hairband. It's caps. So, and that's all we need. Now we're going to build our stand right here. Perfect. And then let's just build Neon Cutie's house. A bathtub right here. And a sleeping bed right here. Perfect! Now that's all Neon Cutie's going to want. Oh, you don't know how to do it? Okay. Okay, so Mommy doesn't know how to do the shoes, but don't worry, we have a lot of accessories. We're gonna do first, Mommy. Okay. You wanna open this one next? Okay. I'll count off 3. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Now let's see Diva. Alright, let's just dump on here. Mommy, here's the cards. And then, do you want to open some surprises? Okay. Okay, what do we have here? We have Diva shoes. They're pretty cute. And then, now let's build the stand. Okay. Okay, so we can show you your color differences compared to Neon Cutie stand. It's like pink, and this stand is color gray. Do you want to show your glasses? Okay, so here is Neon Cutie's glasses. for Diva, it has a lightning bolt, the colorful lightning bolt, and here is Diva's floating hanger, and compared to Diva's hanger. Oh no! So we have a beautiful microphone compared to Neon Cutie's backpack or backpack from me. And then here is Neon Cutie's hairband compared to Diva's hairband. And then the clothing of skirt of Neon Cutie compared to Diva's veil. And then the comb is compared to the neon yellow. And then this one's hot pink. And then we have 4 of these hangers. Where is it? Okay, it's okay if you lost it. And then the shoes are so lightning. Do you like it? Do you like it, Mommy? Okay. What about the boots? Okay. Bye guys, and see you in the next video. And then comment and subscribe. Bye.